G'day guys, Josh here from Airbag Man. We've got a super exciting episode coming up for you today on bag builds. We've got Nathan and Beck from Ireland Bound on tour coming in to get our new Firestone wireless app control system installed on the Beck's new 2023 Jeep Wrangler.
How you going, guys? It's Nathan Beck from Ireland Bound on tour. We're 23 and 25 years old.
We're from the Gold Coast and we just got back from travelling 12 months around Australia.
So what got us into travelling was COVID. We had a full-time job each and things went south and we knew we had to pack up and leave and go explore the world, you know, while we can, because we didn't know what the future was going to hold.
It was always a dream of ours as well to travel Australia and see Australia and all the amazing places around Australia.
Yeah, so we spent 6 months building up a bus,
Yep.
DIY.
Our first home on wheels.
Did absolutely everything ourselves, and then as soon as COVID finished, we hit up the coast and we started our trip.
The East Coast, and then we found ourselves in Gold Coast, and then that's when it all started. We got a little bit more into forward drives, researched it a bit more, and we decided that we wanted to purchase a 79 series and do an epic build on that, which is what we did. We got into social media, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, started sharing our life. It took off, and then from there we just grew a pretty good audience, and we just finished the lap, did the whole Western Australia, Northern Territory, and back down through the middle. So the Jeep Wrangler has always been a dream of mine. I've wanted it since I was 16 years old, my first ever car, but it was never possible. And as soon as it became possible for us, or me, to get the Jeep, I purchased it straight away. So now it's time for me to do my own epic build on the Jeep, and I'm so excited.
Yeah, let us know what you guys like the best, the 79 series or the Jeep.
So the 79 series is definitely the touring car. It is built for that. The Jeep Wrangler is my little getaway car to do little road trips up and down the coast, getaways with the girlfriends, getaways with Nathan, and that's pretty much it.
And now I'm the passenger princess, so it's good fun.
More plans that we may have for the Jeep Wrangler is potentially getting a jet ski as well that we will tow around, and might have some fun with a caravan in the near future. So we'll see what happens.
Christmas! Presents!
I love the commitment. Oh, interesting. See you later.
So when I picked up my Dream 79 series, there's a few things I noticed when we were travelling up the coastline. And it was the sag, the car was bottoming out. So we pretty much reached out to Airbag Man, went into the factory, got it all hooked up, and then the next 60,000 kilometres through our journey, we didn't notice any sag, and it was awesome.
Definitely a more comfortable ride, that's for sure, and we were able to even out the car a little bit more. So when we decided to go with Airbag Man again for the Jeep, we definitely took that into account. We will be chucking a lot of stuff in the back, so there will be a little bit of a sag, so we just wanted to reduce any of that and make sure the quality of our driving, the comfort of our driving is much better, and it also helps with things like the steering, the braking, etc. So that's what we were definitely thinking about when we decided to come back to chuck the airbags in the Jeep.
So the new wireless system is absolutely awesome if you're like me and you're always losing remote controls and it gets messy. So having a wireless system where I never lose my phone, I can pick it up. If I'm not driving, I'm park the car, jump on the phone, lift it up if it's sagging. So it's really good to have.
Everything's done through the phones these days, so it's just a lot easier to have just another thing added to the phone where you can just look it up, search it up on your apps, and you're ready to go.
Having the compressor to pump up your tyres.
Really just helped on the road whenever we would go for driving on the beach and stuff. The compressor just, after we'd pumped down our tyres, to pump them back up was really, really easy for us with the compressor jet.
And a lot of times, you're driving on corrugation, so you got to deflate the tyres and then,
you're back onto road, and then you're back onto really bad corrugation.
So having that inflation system was absolutely
made life
awesome.
So much easier.
And it actually made Beck get out of the car and help me, because it's nice and easy and fun, playing it all in, listening to the noise of it. So.
It is recommended that only a properly qualified person installs the product and carries out maintenance to ensure that all safety standards are followed. So in Beck's build here, we have put in our high pressure coil assist kit. This kit will come with your bag, but also your high pressure sleeve, which is designed by Airbag Man. The added benefits of having the sleeve installed in the vehicle, you can actually double the air pressure that is allowed within the airbag.
Alright guys, we've made it to HQ, we've checked out the system, it's all installed and it is absolutely epic. It was so cool to get hands on and check it out, and we also just found out we are the first people in Australia to have it installed on a car, and it's my car. How cool is that?
That's insane. The technology behind this system is unreal.
Yeah.
Airbag Man have shown us everything,
yeah,
how the system works, and it's just very impressive, and
yeah,
we're absolutely stoked to hit the road and go on to our next chapter.
Yep, I love the wireless feature, how it's all done through the phone. It is so cool, so easy for people like me to just jump on. It's Bluetooth connectivity, so yeah, really easy to understand as well, how to pump up each side of the airbags, both at once or one or the other. Yeah, I just find it really, really cool.
And we also got one of my favourite things, and that's the inflation system.
Yeah.
Pump up our tyres on the road and deflate them, so super stoked with that.
Yeah, makes life easy.
the team have done such a neat job, so super impressed with that. We've got heaps of space still, so yeah,
the car
super
looks
excited.
epic, that's for sure. So now that we're based down on the Gold Coast, we're settled in for a little bit, but we are planning our next little adventure. We're going to take the Jeep to Fraser Island, so we're super excited to see how it handles it out there.
That'll be our first trip in the Jeep.
Put the airbags to test with all my luggage in the back of the car. There is quite a lot. I do pack my whole life with me for small trips, so.
And that is the reason for Airbag Man.
That is.
All bets closed.
Yeah, so if you want to go see that Fraser trip, we vlog it all. We do it all through YouTube, on our social medias, Instagram and TikTok through Island Bound on Tour.
Yeah.
We love sharing our adventures with you and inspiring people to escape the ordinary with us.
Exactly. If you guys see us on the road, come say hi. We love meeting like-minded people. So yeah, come say hello. We'll go for a little trip, have a beer, and
come check out the airbags as well.
Exactly. Thanks, guys.
Alright guys, well it's official. You've been bagged with the best.
Thank you. Thanks so much.
Alright guys, well that's a wrap. We've done an epic install today. Head to our website for more info, and remember,
We've bagged it with the best.
Phew.